Now that your board is booting up the operating system for the first time, let's log into the board and do the initial OS setup. So here on your computer, you can then choose how to connect. If your host computer is Linux, Windows 10 or Mac before Catalina, you can simply use the USB-C data cable connection and MDT will run over this connection. However, in my case, I have a Mac with Catalina and we are not able to use this USB-C cable connection, so I will need to use the serial connection. Please watch the flashing the board to see examples how to connect to the board with the serial cable. I log into the board as the system user Mendel and password Mendel. And then, regardless how you log into the board, you will then need to set up the Wi-Fi network. So let's execute the nmtui command and select to activate the connection using the cursor keys, arrow keys and enter. You move down and you select your Wi-Fi network, press enter, and then set up the password. Press enter and hopefully everything goes fine and we are able to connect to that Wi-Fi network. Looks good. WLAN 0 link becomes up, enabled. So let's go back and select quit and execute sudo ifconfig WLAN 0 and make sure we have an IP address. We do. So now the board is connected to your Wi-Fi network. So then on your host computer, including Mac Catalina later, we can now execute MDT devices and query the local network to see if we have any development ports. Yes, we do. .44, and we can simply now execute MDT shell to connect to the board. There we go. Now, the first thing we would like to do is sudo apt-get update. This will update all the operating system package repository information to the latest versions, and then we can execute apt-get upgrade. So I will update all the packages to their latest versions, and let's wait for that to complete. There we go. And then if you want, you can also execute apt-get dist upgrade. And let's see if we have any further packages there. No, we don't. Okay. Now we're on the latest version. So this completes the first boot segment of this tutorial. Now please select your next path. Either we could then run an example TensorFlow Lite model on the Edge TPU Machine Learning Accelerator, or we could connect the board to Google Cloud Platform. And if you choose one of those segments, you can still jump after that to the next segment. So please make your selection now.